Bed is frying this morning. You have BIRD up over 500%. Um, I mean, the way the stock goes up, that's the same way it drops. So I was very careful. I didn't wanna stay in here and lose anything. So I locked in profit when I can have it. So I had about, and this stock was above my um price range. So I bought about 80 shares and um, liquidated everything. I had initially lost $30 on VSA and IMMP. IMP, IMMP was the uh, top gainers of the day. It was up about 200%. You see how quick this stock just went from 635 all the way to almost 17. But this is how high you can have penny stock just moving. And like I said, you always want to be taking profit. It won't hurt you. I learned it the hard way the last time. So as it stands now, I'm not just um, okay. Whatever I have, I can leave it there to see what it goes. But um, VS sometimes you got to listen to your gut feeling because it is one of the former runners. Is one of the Hall of Famers that I always call them. So when it hit to this morning, I initially I don't want to because the high of the previous time was uh, it was around, it was more than I think it was around $4. It was close to four. And then you have multiple resistance going up here. If you get a stock and then you have it going to the right, that's the stock you want to watch. But then when I got in, it started dropping on me. So I let it go and I was down to $30. IMMP also I had 200 shares and then it also dropped on me. Then the bed came in. When I saw the wings and I saw that this bed will be flying, because if you look at it, they have recently done a stock split right here to um, condense the stock. And in stock trading, it's just demand and supply. When you have um, fewer shares now, more money is chasing these fewer shares. So it's better when you have low float of this stocks. So um, when I saw that, I said, okay, I got in, came out. Initially, I bought 20 shares and I came out um, with $34. And then when he came back to break the high, I love high breaking. So when he came back to break the high, which was $12, I realized that okay, now what can we do? So I knew there was resistance right here. Came back, broke it, and then I got in over there with 80 shares. And then once it's crawling, I just liquidated everything around 15. You may ask, hey, if you have held on to it, you could have made more money. That is true. What about if it dropped on me? And I recently lost huge amounts. So I was like, okay, let me be very, very careful over here because I don't want to. It's taking me time to, I haven't even looked at it, but I think now I'm close to um, gaining back all the losses that I had. And a single loss that day took me, um, it took me back. So I rather made little money than to um, go for the killer and then lose everything. But it's crazy how day trading stock moving from six six 660 all the way to 1820. It's super crazy. Man, I will always take a profit at oh, excuse me. I'll always take a profit at any level, even if it is a dollar, one share, because um, now I have two shares to hold, and that's about it. So these are some of the reason why um, I've been trading for a very long time, for more than 12 years. And when I started, none of my friends or my colleagues do these things. And coming from Africa, and you don't have, I mean, trading is risky. So you see people lose money and then they go out. But my concern was I wasn't losing money. I was giving my money back to the markets, and in good time I will come back and get my money. So I've been doing this every day, have challenges here and there, but these are the very same opportunity that kept me in the game. These are the opportunities that I see every single day for the last 12 to 25 years, but it requires attention and also time and also dedication, so if you are interested in trading, I mean, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also you can leave any question there, and I'll come back to answer you.